Hey everybody, I'm Joni Camlet and I'm here today with
Karuna
Marcotte. We are going to make chocolate.
You don't want the water touching this pan, and you don't want it boiling. You just want a low melt.
This already smells so good. So now you're combining the wet cocoa butter and the agave, the vanilla. You're combining with the cocoa powder and the mushrooms, the mesquite and the cardamom and the salt. So as you're stirring it, the chocolate is starting to get thicker. The little objects in those are ginger and cranberries.